Numbers are strange. And similarly for all other numbers. The number 3 would be an even more complicated thing, and so on. Okay. Remember, the Frege-Russell view gave birth to monsters. Here, we no longer have a monster. The monster has turned into an angel, because although the number 2 contains other numbers, it doesn't contain itself. Okay. The monster is always eating a smaller monster, so to speak. Doesn't get in the way of itself. Cantor was a multi-talented individual, a brilliant violinist with wide-ranging interests, ranging from religion to literature. So what was his view? Let's take 2 objects, Fido and Felix. Now, Cantor said, look, let's deprive these 2 objects of all of their individuating features beyond their being distinct from one another. So we remove their fur. We remove their flesh and blood until we're simply left with 2 bare objects. I hope there are no animal lovers amongst you. Okay. But anyway, this is what happens to pets when Cantor gets hold of them. Okay. So thanks to Cantor, we now know what numbers are. Thank you.